My name is Pranavitara. Today's date is 24th March 2022 and my today's topic is linked hash map. The linked hash map is the part of the hash map is similar to the hash map. The linked hash map is quite similar to hash map with an additional feature of maintaining the order of the inserting elements. Hash map easy way to insert, delete and search the element, and but it was not provide any way to maintain and track the order of the inserted element. Linked hash map came into the picture which overcomes these issues. Hash map is powerful data structure, is not used to store the key pair values. It maps a value by its associated key. It allows us to values and null key. It is a non-synchronized class of data, Java collection. Whereas the linked hash map is alternative to hash map. That has to maintaining the order of the elements. The linked hash map is also the part of the collection framework. The hash map in Java is a powerful data structure that allows us to store the key pair values. It allows us to the null values objects. We can the duplicate key if we try. It will replace the element corresponding to the respective key. We can easily perform operations such as deletion, etc. On the objects, the hash map class can be found in Java until package. The linked hash map is the include that the hash table and linked list map. The hash table it is denoted that and finding that the index, and linked list is the finding that the tables and inserting that these numbers. In the linked hash map, k and v is denoted at the key and value. K is denoted at the key and v is denoted at the value in the linked hash map. The linked hash map is the various type of methods, just like add, remove, size, contain key, contain value, and more than. The remove method is remove the element in this linked hash map. Then size method is used that unity hash map and linked map is ordered to that order is the order of the elements. The linked map provide a way to order and trans the element. It is not support the ordering of the elements in linked hash map. If we will get a key in the order in which the elements were instead. The hash map and linked map both allow only one null key and multiple values. Then the hash map extends abstract map class and implements map interface, whereas the linked hash map extend hash map class and implements map interface. Both linked hash map and hash map non-synchronized, but they can synchronize using the collection synchronized map method. The hash map use a bucket to store the elements, which is the index of the array. Bucket means index, and bucket square bracket means index bracket, index square bracket, and so on. The way where same internal implements as HashMap, but apart from that, it also uses double linked up of the entire. The link it is useful for ordering the